welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa Marie. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So the look that I have for you here today is for our New Year's, and the colors that I do use are of course the smokies and the blacks, and I do have a beautiful color inward which is going to be a goldy and silvery. If you do want to know how I achieved this look and how you could too, please keep on watching. But please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel as it supports my channel, and I'll be viewing my comments. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to send me anything. I'll be on the lookout. So thank you so much for the love and support, and I appreciate everything you guys do for my channel. Without further ado, thank you. Welcome back to my channel. So let's go ahead and get started. My face is already primed, it's already moisturized, and I already applied concealer, and the concealer that I use is by Jeffree Star, and this is in shade C14. So I applied it abundantly in my eyes and I spread it out with my finger, and after that I went ahead and set it. And the setting powder that I'm using is by Huda Beauty, and the shade is Banana Bread. So I concealed them, I set them, and I applied our tape. And as you guys know, like in my prior video, how it is that I apply the tape method. I just bring it a little bit lower than our waterline, and I take it as far as I can because it really doesn't matter. So I do the same thing for our other eye. So whenever we have all this ready, let's go ahead and get started. The palette that I'm going to be using today is and also the NYX Happy Birthday. So obviously this one I got in my birthday month. There's some beautiful shades in here, which are these, and I'll be using some as I'll be showing you guys. And the palette that I'm also going to be using is by Jaclyn Hill by MORPHE. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and use all these palettes. Why not? Let's do a combination. So let's go ahead and start by choosing a transition color. Go ahead and go in with this third color. Just grab, and we're going to apply right about here and bring it all the way in. And I'm just building in the color ever so slightly all the way in. Next, we're going to go ahead and go in with this beautiful brush, and it's going to be the MORPHE M433, and it's a beautiful fluffy brush. And we're going to go ahead and grab our next color, and it's going to be from the Happy Birthday palette from NYX, and it's going to be this beautiful burnty color right here. So we're going to go ahead and pack it. I haven't tried out the palette, so we're going to try it out together. Super packed. Let's tap off the excess since we really don't know how, you know, this palette works. So this color, we're going to go ahead and apply it right beneath where we applied this neutral color. So it'll be right about here. And let's build it inward. So here, let's try to create a V. So therefore, it'll help us when we apply our black. So let's just go ahead and apply it here. And this one, let's try to maintain it low. And do not cross like where we would do a cut crease. Do not cross that area. So lower to our lid area is where we're going to go ahead and apply this. So we could, you know, bring it inward right here and about like halfway from our eyes. So just right about here. Now I'm going to grab a little bit more and bring it downward and just cover our eyelid ever so slightly, not inward. So just right about here. And here, let's create a V, because later we'll go in with our initial fluffy brush and it'll blend seamlessly. So do you guys see that? So once we applied that burnty color from the Happy Birthday palette from NYX, let's go ahead and go back with our initial color from the Jaclyn Hill palette by MORPHE. So I'm just going to go ahead and get a little bit ever so slightly with the initial brush. And this one, I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but it's the Sigma Taper Blending E40. So as you can tell, I have that color there. So I'm just going to go back in and ever so slightly apply in the same spot we initially went, just so we could go ahead and blend these two colors together. And this one, I'm going to bring it all the way inward because I will be applying a gold or a shimmery color in our tear duct area as well. So as you can see, I already have some shade, some color here, so it really doesn't matter. And this is why I love the tape method, because it really saves you. It saves you from when you have your foundation on already, so that won't you know, I guess, hinder your look. So I really like this method, and trust me, it's very easy, it's very user friendly, and it's great if you're a beginner in makeup, because it'll just save you a lot of headaches. So always try this tape method first before doing your foundation, and it'll be a world of a difference. So following that, let's go ahead and go in with our Morphe by Jeffree Star palette, and let's go ahead and go in with the black color right here in the corner. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab it with this Morphe brush, and it's the Morphe E18. I'm gonna apply it right here in the corner, kind of do it like if it was a wing liner. Can you guys see that? And just bring it inward and a little bit upward, kind of mimicking our first step. And I just want to bring it halfway into our eye. I just want to have those transition colors. So I'm going to bold it up a little bit. So I'm going to go back with our black. I'm going to go beep, beep. Beep, beep. And whatever's remaining, I'm going to go ahead and bring it upward. So it takes about 2 little dabs into our black color and leave it like that. So once we have this, so this right here, don't worry about it, because over here we'll be covering it with a little shimmer. So as long as we go ahead and continue this cat eye right here and bring it inward, we're good. So once we apply the shade black in both of our eyes, let's go ahead and go back with our initial first brush, and let's just go ahead and blend everything. And we're going to go right as well where we applied the first color. So let's just go ahead and blend, 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 blend. Bring it inward as much as we want. And let's go ahead and do the same thing. Once we see that it's already blended, here are the true colors. Let's go ahead and go to our other eye and do the same thing. Don't get tired of blending, because blending is key. And you guys, my eye does, it really honestly looks black. It probably looks gray in our camera, but trust me, just find a true black and it'll all be good. So now let's go ahead and go in with our beautiful shimmers that will make our eye look neutral, but smoky, but elegant and glamorous and bombshell. And let's go ahead and go in with this brush by Sigma, and this is a Sigma E55. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this color. Actually, let's go ahead and go with this color because it looks a little bit more true gold than this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and pack it in. Beautiful. And let's go ahead and put it in our innermost part of our eye. So let's go ahead and apply it right here. So before we continue, let's go back with our second brush, and this is our M433. So let's go ahead and go in with the color from our NYX palette. And of course, you guys, if you don't have this birthday palette, get a color that's kind of like a burnty orangey. And now this one, let's go ahead and apply it. Let's go ahead and grab the black from Jeffree. So now let's go back with our fluffy brush and just blend everything out. And we're going to blend this section right here, because I'm just creating that definition, that depth right here. So let's just go ahead and blend it. And let's go back with our tapered brush. And let's go ahead and get this beautiful gold color. And it's packed and it's glittery and it's gorgeous. So let's just go ahead and grab it with that same brush that we used for our shimmer. You know what, you guys? I'm just going to go ahead and go in with beautiful old-fashioned fingers. So, and it's kind of like, it's like if it has adhesive, you guys. It's like if it has a little bit of adhesive, this color. So I'm just going to be gentle, because I don't want it coming off and going all over my... So that's right about the gold that I want to add, because I wanted to leave this neutral, but you know, life got in the way and we went in with gold. So let me go back in with black. I really want to emphasize with the black. So remember, black, it's very good, and I think it's a great tip to always build it, because black, you can always build it, but you can never come back from a black smoky eye. So if you apply it elsewhere, in order for you to apply your neutrals kind of to get it, you know, neutral that area, it's gonna be very difficult because it could go to a gray. So let's just go back with the black with the same brush as I mentioned. So and we're okay with our black. So our color's already on, they're beautifully blended. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and go do is I'm gonna go ahead and take off the tape so we could go ahead and get our full effect. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyeliner, and I'm gonna continue the line that I already created right here. So I'm just gonna follow the line, apply our eyeliner, apply some lashes, and I'll be right back with you guys. So super quick, you guys, I just took off the tape, and you guys, you could see the difference. You could see that sharp line, and my skin was like, we ready, we snatched. So I just wanted to tell you guys that I followed the line and I brought it in, and this, as you can tell, it makes our eye. So trust me, if you're new to makeup, try this tape method. Now let me show you super quick of how it is that it helps you. So can you guys see that? Exactly. So I did apply our gel liner, and as you could tell, we have a little bit remaining here. I did apply while I had the tape on. So if you're also new to doing eyeliner, follow the tape and just leave the tape there, and don't bring it outer more than just where the black starts. So cute little tip, just leave it right there. So I just wanted to show you guys this step. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes, and I'll be right back. Bye. I put on our wing liner, I put on my lashes, and the lashes that I use are the style Miami by Lily Lashes, which I really love and adore, as you guys could see. They're so cute. So then when I was applying my lashes and I was getting them coated and ready, I was like, why not put on the foundation? So I already put on my foundation. The foundation that I use is by Too Faced, and it's the Born This Way. And the style that I use, or the color that I use is the Warm Nude. So this is my go-to color. So that's what I have on right now. I already concealed. As you guys know, I have the powder going on. So I also use the concealer that I used initially by Jeffree, which is the C14. And I do have my powder setting on me. So as you guys could tell, I do leave it for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, it's setting, you know, and it doesn't, you know, it kind of falls in between everything and our lines and everything, you know. So now I'm going to go ahead and dust it off with this fluffy brush, as you guys already know. Just get a big old fluffy brush and just, you know, put it away. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Fishnet. As you guys already know, it's by Smashbox. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it all over my waterline. The face I make. So you guys, once we put on that eyeliner, we could really see that our eye look just comes together. And you guys, this eye look is super proper for our New Year. So feel free to, you know, get these colors and let's put them on for our New Year. So it's very festive, but yet neutral but smoky, if that makes sense. So now let's go ahead and put in our other eye. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Morphe E36, and this is a baby brush, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that second color from our NYX Happy Birthday palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it starting from the outermost part of our eye and bringing it inward. And remember, this, just as a note, you guys, just go ahead and grab this color just once and smoke it out. We don't want to get any more, because then our eye look will be different. It'll be tailored more to the bottom rather than the top. So I'm just trying to smoke it out just a little bit, ever so slightly, and using that eyeliner to our advantage to smoke it out and just blend it. So now let's go in with our neutral from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's the third color from the first row, and I'm going to apply this inward. Whoa. And just take it all the way back. Oh, you guys, my eye got teary. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the black right about here. Very key, you guys. Let's go back with our eyeliner. Our eyeliner is staple for it to be very, very bold in our eyes. So let's just go back. Hold a second. And we are done. So following that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with RIMMEL Lash Accelerator, as you guys already know. So I'm gonna go ahead and coat my lower lashes, and these make your lower lashes look spidery and gorgeous, and it just matches our top, which ties this look together. So let's just go ahead and do that. Did you guys see that? Immediately. It's an immediate effect. Well, well, well. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply bronzer, and we're gonna go ahead and go with Too Faced. Grab our big old fluffy brush, and this is a E3 from Morphe. I'm just gonna dab. We could use the same mirror. And just bring it right here, as you guys already know. Dab a little bit. 10 years later. So next we're going to go ahead and go with our NARS Orgasm. And we're going to go ahead and go with our same old brush that I keep on mentioning in my prior videos. And this is a Morphe E4. So just tap, 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 tap on the mirror. Right here, just right here. And with the same, what's remaining from the brush, let's just bring it to this other side. Tap, tap, tap right here. Blend it a little bit upward. And we are done with the blush. So following that, let's go ahead and go in with BECCA Highlighter Champagne Pop by this beautiful woman right here. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my highlighting brush, which is a M501. Okay. God knows why I'm doing that, but you know, we're going to roll with it. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit of highlighter is never a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it in the highest point of my cheekbone. So I'm going to go ahead and use this brush, which you should already know. And it's going to be the Morphe M527. I think I should have these names memorized and these numbers, guys, but this ain't going to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and blend. Blend super quick. Well, you guys, I don't know if I'm going to use a red or black dress, but I'm going to go ahead, therefore, go in with Morphe color Peanut. Super cute. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. As you guys already know, it's this beautiful pinky color. Cute. Last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and go in with Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Cuteness 101. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply all over my face, as you guys already know. And we're done. This comes in handy. Happy New Year's. So I hope you guys like my look. Love you guys. See you next time. Mine's like, girl, there's too much movement going on over here. I am back, you guys. So I put on eyeliner. I put on our our wings. I was gonna say. Cussy. So I can't. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bam.